Hey everybody, welcome to this video. I wanted to very quickly demonstrate to you today how we utilize the Kadence theme in order to be able to create a template to accommodate content that we import into WordPress for a specific post type. So in my example in WordPress here, I've created a custom post type called developments. And the developments custom post type has a lot of different content that I've previously imported. I'll show you how to do that in subsequent videos. I am using the Kadence theme. I should show you the Kadence theme here with the Kadence child theme installed as well. Now, in my developments, what I'm going to do is show you how I would edit the display, the visual aesthetic of each of the pieces of content that I've added. And that's by utilizing the page template customizable options that exist within WordPress. Some themes have them, some themes do not. This is the different ways in which themes will allow you to be able to kind of interact with visual customization. What Kadence does is allows us to be able to edit specific page templates. So I've created this new development template already by clicking on Add Template in this via this button here. If I want to edit it, I click on Edit here. Now, any change that I make in this particular template will be affected across all of the other iterations of pages that I've got that are assigned to this page template. So say, for example, I wanted to change the font color here from pink, which it currently is. I could change it to, let's change it to black. Now, when I save that, it's not just going to save it across this particular page, it's going to save it across every page that's applied to this template. So I click on Update, click on Save. It says save it to every page in that template. And then if I want to view each of these pages, just to show you it's not just this page that I changed the template within that's been affected by that changing of the header font color to black, but instead it's every single page template. And this is programmatic SEO at work within the Kadence theme.